Lennox is a team of people who are passionate about building high-quality, reliable, and technology-leading, customer-centric HVAC solutions.
We've made a tremendous number of investments here in Stuttgart to position this factory for long-term success, to take Stuttgart to the next level.
We try to build anything that exceeds our customers' expectations.
So Lennox is ISO 901 certified, and we care deeply about our product quality and our customer experience.
We have to inspect all incoming materials that come into the plant. We do audits throughout the day.
We have multiple testing points on the assembly lines. We made sure that unit did not leave the factory without any leaks.
Whenever we receive customer complaints, what we do is that we start an investigation. After we found what is the root cause, we start taking measurements or controls to assure that that defect doesn't happen again.
There's been a lot of changes in this factory, a lot of innovations, a lot of improvements. It's really amazing how far we've come in 50 years.